the beauty of nature, when you observe this majestic harmony that permeates every atom in existence, when you really take it in, you can almost see the greater governing force that animates all of nature. Creating the most diverse beauty, the most sublime intelligence that is all of life. And it's essentially a program designed to give life, to create, sustain, and guide the evolution of life. So when we see things in nature that seem cruel or violent, it's all part of the program. It's part of the harmonious symphony of life. Because nature is this incredible interplay between opposite forces.
Well, over the past few weeks, we've been reporting extensively on the heat waves that have hit large areas of Europe, the United States, and parts of Asia.
Change assessment, it says that by 2050, coastal flooding will happen 5 to 10 times more often than it does right now. That's if no action is taken.
13 of the last 16 years have been the warmest years on record. And that's not a coincidence. You cannot tie any one event to climate change, but interestingly enough, there is new statistical evidence, and I encourage you to check out the Union of Concerned Scientists.
If we act together to safeguard our precious planet, the welfare of all our people will surely follow.
At VSUIHS State University, sustainability is not just a goal, it's a way of life. Our campus is a living example of environmental consciousness, featuring solar panels that harness clean energy, and their energy-efficient buildings and lush green spaces that contribute to biodiversity. To combat waste and promote recycling, VSU has implemented comprehensive waste reduction programs, strategically placed recycling bins, waste sorting facilities, and composting areas ensure that we minimize our ecological footprint and contribute to a circular economy. These should be segregated in the biodegradable bins, and as for the plastic ones, plastic bottles should be segregated in the non-biodegradable bins.
VSU is an environmental friendly university, and it employs water-saving infrastructures, rainwater harvesting systems, and as well as sustainable landscaping projects. Water is a precious resource in VSU and is conserved through preservative and innovative measures. So another way to combat these problems involving water is to turn off faucets around our university. Students are encouraged around here in our high school institute to turn off running water faucets such as these. By doing such, we can conserve our water here in our university. Furthermore, students are also encouraged to turn off electronic devices or electronic appliances when not in use in order to conserve our fossil fuels and as well. So preserving biodiversity is a priority here in VSU. Our commitment extends beyond the classroom with our conservation projects, trees planting initiatives, and as well as creation of wildlife habitats. We have implemented here in our own seas, here at Tomato Sea, that people should not are prohibited to fish here in our respective seas. So we believe in fostering an environment where flora and fauna thrive together. Stop. So lastly, VSU promotes sustainable transportation alternatives. It encourages from bicycle racks to electric vehicle charging stations. We encourage eco-friendly commuting options, reducing our carbon footprint and contributing to cleaner air inside our campus. Lecture halls and every field, and within each research endeavor, VSU is making a difference. Through these sustainable measures, we are not just preserving our environment, but we are also shaping our responsible leaders in as well as a better future.